What's going on, guys? Today I'm at Dollar General and I'm going to show y'all all the cheap stuff you can get at Dollar General and use for your horses. And I believe every horse girl needs to have this stuff, and you can get it at every Dollar General. So come on. Yeah, let's first. Excuse me. Okay, let's find some. Oh yes. First and foremost, olive oil spray that I use literally every single day. I know they have the other stuff I used to. You can pretty much use all of this stuff for your horses. For baths, I use this Olive Miracle stuff after I give them baths, and just as a detangling stuff. Put all of this in their mane, their tail, their forelock, whatever. Works really good. And $3.25. You can't beat that. Who needs Cowboy Magic when you have Olive Miracle? So those I have to have at all times. I feel like there's something over here. Sunscreen for the white horses. You have to have sunscreen. Let's see. I use one of these brands of detangling spray too. You can use like any of this hair stuff in here. I have purple shampoo that I'm using on Rango right now from Dollar Tree, just because, why not? Head and Shoulders works great, and I mean $6.50 versus like $40 for shampoo. It's a win-win. I use that to bathe them as well. And get them a wand, curl their hair. Hair ties, braid their, I don't see any like extra rubber bands down there. A broom, because we all know horses make a mess. I don't know how much they are, but they're at Dollar General. They should be $1. Next style. Let's see. Icy hot for you after your horse bucks you off. Let's see if they have any of the stuff I have. Band-Aids for you when you get cut. Some sports wrap.
You wrap up your
Yeah, I use tape for my trick riding saddle, but so if you're a trick rider, you can get some of this stuff at hydrogen peroxide, all kinds of stuff. I feel like I was gonna see if they had any like omeprazole or something here. Aleve, Tylenol. Oh, do they have it? Omeprazole. We had to use that on one of my horses instead of what's that stuff called?
I don't know, the real expensive stuff.
Yeah, that GastroGuard or whatever.
Yeah.
We were having to get some of that for my horse that was sick, and we ended up just going to Walmart and getting some omeprazole pills. 10 times better, and $16 or 12, whichever one you want.
Or 7.
Or 7.
Oh, toothbrush to clean your...
Yes, I use an electric toothbrush to clean my saddles with and get in like all the little creases. Get that, put some cleaner on that thing, turn it on, get in all the cracks and creases. Works like a charm. $6.50. Yeah, if you really want to desensitize a horse, you can get a bubble power blitz. Turn that sucker on. No bad days, guys. No bad days. No bad days with horses.
Wrap your, the tail in a sock.
Yeah, you can. You can get some tubs to keep like your boots or your brushes or anything like that. All your supplies. add some decor, some cute lights for the barn, some fans for when it's really hot. $28. I don't know how much these down here are. I'd say they're probably about $30. Yeah, that's good. Some coolers and knobs. We're always needing some new knobs at the barn. That's cool. It's pretty high tech.
Spray bottles for $1.
So that's a good deal. Out in the pastures, getting them plants cut off and the tree limbs that are too long and overgrowing the fences because you don't want them on the fence. Cut them suckers off. Okay. This is the candy aisle. This is my personal fave.
Nothing for the horses, but everything for Horsin.
Yeah. Oh, I love swimming. They actually have really cute signs. Like, I would so put this in my house.
Yeah.
Like, if that is just adorable, I think. Like, look how cute these clocks are. Mirror. That is adorable. $10 for this? I would love that. I already have a bunch of whiteboards. That's cute.
You need a good water bottle.
Yeah, especially in this summer heat. Drink your water, stay hydrated. Huh?
You're getting distracted.
Oh, I feel like horses. I feel like this is a need. I feel like this would be a really good desensitizing tool just to like put a bunch of candy in there and then just like.
Or you could put horse treats in there.
That would be cool and like hit it and then the horses can go at it.
Yeah.
Except like I feel like I'd probably like accidentally hit one of them. Like
That'd be fun to do. Maybe it's an idea for a video.
that would be pretty hilarious, I think, if they weren't scared of me like hitting that thing. Okay, balloons. I feel like balloons is the go-to like desensitizing thing, and you can get one with a unicorn on it, so it's like.
Or a llama.
Llamas, happy llamas, something something, llama. Look how stinking cute.
Oh, noisemakers.
Yes, and like blow into them. Party poppers. I think I should get some of these and like hit them for decent style. I'm gonna buy some of these today, and I'm gonna buy some of these. This will be some pretty quick, good. You can always just like use some stuff like this to desensitize. This is the way. More toys, more desensitizing stuff. Cute. Oh, I thought tape. You can always use tape, especially duct tape or whatever this stuff is.
That's clear.
Okay, still, max strength, get some tape. You're gonna need tape for something. There's gonna be something broke. If it's not broke now, it will happen soon. So get you some tape. $8, $5, $7, whichever one you want. Take your pick. Bubble wrap your horse. Bubble wrap yourself.
Pop it too.
Huh?
Like pop it.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, this is a good aisle. These are like the mini ones, but you can use like the long ones of these for pretty much anything, holding stuff together, trailers, all kinds of different stuff.
$3. Here's the big one.
No.
A zip ties.
Yes, I use zip ties. Holding up like the feed troughs at the barn, I use zip ties because I was using hay strings. They weren't strong enough, so now zip ties. It's the way to go. $2. Doesn't get much better than that. I use these for holding up some of the horses' signs at the barn. Here's some tape, glue. Yeah, this is the the nice stuff. Yeah, that's good. Tools, you need tools. Everyone needs an extension cord. Tape measures because you're gonna have to probably fix something, make something, all kinds of stuff. You need pretty much all of these tools.
These are great for in the trailers if you don't have like a
Yeah, if you don't have like automatic light,
yeah.
put them in. Flashlights, more hoses. I use brake clean on like some of the. I'm not even. Okay, I used brake clean the other day in one of my straps. It wouldn't open. It was really stuck, and we didn't have any WD-40, so I put some brake cleaner on it. Worked like a charm. So I mean, that would be something you could use. Gloves. You need gloves when your horse has a cut and it's infected or it's pouring out. You got any kind of medicine that you're not supposed to be touching. Put the gloves on, take care of it, wash it off, but apply all your ointment and stuff.
Put
That's
spray
the way to
in
go.
there and rub on their legs.
Yeah, or their face.
Yeah.
On stuff you don't want all over them. That would be good.
$4 or
More brooms because horses are messy. Ziplocs, you can put all kinds of different stuff in there. It's a whole lot of a cheaper option. Stuff. Put applesauce if your horse is having problems deworming or anything like that. You can mix it with applesauce. They will take it. You can try Kool-Aid and all kinds of stuff like that. Applesauce has always worked really good for me. Fig bars work as well if they need to take pills, and bananas. You can give them those too. Put the pill in there. They usually will eat it. If you don't want to buy an expensive horse brush from a name brand company or whatever, come to Dollar General. You can buy these brushes. I mean, all kinds of different stuff. There's you some combs for literally $1. You can get all kinds of different types you want, whatever you need. They got the hair clips. They've got the hair ties. If you want to straighten your horse's hair, here they got you here too. You want to dye them? Got all the things. Rope, okay, because rope you can pretty much use for anything. You tie something down, something came up, just a quick little fix, and it's $4.85. Tarp. You can put stuff under a tarp, have it up. You can also use tarps really good for desensitizing. Tarps you can really use for anything. Shelter, all kinds of different stuff. And then we also have ratchet straps, just little mini ratchet straps. It wouldn't do like anything too heavy duty, but you can get a bunch of them and layer them up, I guess. But this would be really good for holding something down if you just had like a simple hay bale or something, or something you just needed to go really fast with. Here is something. I already see something else we can use as well. Spray paint. More extension cords. There was something, oh yes, a gas can. And not only a gas can, but you need one of these. Put it in. So that way you don't spill gas all over you because it's too expensive to spill.
need scissors.
Yes, scissors for sure. Let's see what else we have here. Glass cleaner, you can use glass cleaner for anything. Wipe anything down, it won't hurt it. So I use glass cleaner for a bunch of stuff. You can get these sponges. You can use these to wash your horse's face, pretty much clean anything. So if you don't want to spray your horse's face or like get in its ears or something, use one of these. Towels, microfiber towels, cleaning wipes. a tire plug kit, because if you got a lot of machines, all kinds of stuff, that would be a good thing to have.
WD-40.
Oh, perfect. Have to have WD-40.
Or the Dollar General brand.
General. WD-40 is good for everything. Okay.
Salt, add it to their, some people need to add salt to their feed.
Yeah. If they're low on salt. Laundry detergent for cleaning their blankets, their sheets. I have tried the Tide Pods. They don't work too well. They just kind of sit there.
The
So
Death would be good because they have allergies.
yeah, just find whatever laundry detergent works best for you and your horse. I think we cover.
That's right.
Yes. Not only are you going to need lots of ant and roach spray at a barn, you're also going to need flea, tick, lice, whatever.
But don't put it near the horses.
No, clearly.
Also
For you, gnats, we have to use a lot of wasp and hornet spray because the bees always seem to get in the creases of the gate and the wood and all that stuff. So be careful, especially with summertime coming up. This would be a really good thing to get, and $5. You can't beat it. Get them some Bud Light. Get a poncho and an umbrella, because umbrella's for desensitizing, and a poncho for you when you're riding.
Poncho.
And it's poncho for whenever. A poncho's a thing on the saddle. Whoops. Poncho is for when you're riding. Okay, I think we're. that was my. No, I already did it twice. Okay, guys, that was the conclusion of today's video. This is stuff that you can get at pretty much any Dollar General store. Our Dollar General kind of sucked. It didn't have like half of the stuff I wanted to show y'all, but it's okay. Y'all can go out on your own, see what you can make use of, and make a video of it, and I love to watch it. So thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Okay, I made it.